Salam New Ethiopia. This is Bakari Sanya and
እንግዲህ እንደምትመለከቱት በርካታ ኢትዮጵያውያን ባካሪ ሳኛን እዚህ በቦሌ ኢንተርናሽናል ኤርፖርት እየተቀበሉት ይገኛሉ። ባካሪ ሳኛን ላሳያችሁ።
We participated like 11 times. We requested to host this 2028 AFCON.
It's going to be here, no?
Yeah, we are trying to make it. So our Prime Minister is trying to convince CAF officials, and we are doing our best to get it here. Hopefully, we're gonna do it, and we will win the next AFCON. If God allows.
You have big country, you have big data, you have big young community, so why not?
Yeah, as a founding member, it's disappointing to far away from such major tournament. We feel bad for not participating in 2 years. So it's disappointing. People are crazy about football. We are good in athletics, but more people are crazy about football. On your stay, you can see around how people are crazy about football.
Football is hard. It's not only, and I always tell people, it's not only about the skills. You have too many aspects. Mentally, you have to be right. You need to have the right coach at the right moment. You need to have the right tactics. You need to have fit players when it matters.
ኃይሌ ገብረስላሴ
አረ ይሄ ሁላ ሰው ምንድነው? ሰለሞን
watch him. ኃይሌ ገብረስላሴ
always when I was little.
He's our legend.
Yes. When I was little, I always watch him. My dad was watching Olympic games.
Oh yeah.
Let me tell you some facts about Ethiopian football. We are one of the founding members of CAF, and we won AFCON once. Really, yeah. And we participated like 11 times
In Africa.
and we requested to host this 2028 AFCON.
It's going to be here, no?
Yeah, we are trying to make it. So our Prime Minister is trying to convince CAF officials, and we are doing our best to get it here. Hopefully, we're gonna do it.
Really nice to see you. እየፈለጉ እኮ ነው ባይል
Anyway.
መኪና እስቲ ያሳልፍ መኪና ያሳልፍ
አንዴ በዚህ ጋር ወደዚህ ጋር በእናታችሁ ወደዚህ ሄሎ በጣም ቆያችሁ ሄሎ
ዌልካም
እዛኛው መኪና ይከተላል
Johnny, what's up? Salam. ችግር የለም I know, I understand. Welcome. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too, bro. Hi. Salam alaikum.
Brooke.
Thanks so much.
No worries, bro.
ናግባ ሳሚ እዚህ ግባ
One picture.
Take a picture, please.
You're wearing red, no?
Yeah,
Of course, the good red.
yeah.
Awesome.
Thank you.
Guys.
እንዴት ነሽ ሊንዳ? What's up? ሎንግ ታይም ሰላም እንዴት ነው? ሁሉ ሰላም እንዴት ነው? ስላየሁ ደስ ብሎኛል። እሺ ቴንክ ዩ ሶ ማች ቴንክ ዩ ሶ ማች
በዚህ ሰዓት እንግዲህ ሰበር የተባለ መረጃ ተሰምቷል። ባካሪ ሳኛ ወደ ሀገራችን ገብቷል።
ስለዚህ ኤርፖርት መጥተናል እንቀበለው። ሁላችሁም ፎሎ ያደረጋችሁ ጠብቁ። ያንዳንዱን ቪዲዮ ፖስት እናደርግላችኋለን። ከኤርፖርት ጀምሮ እስከ ሆቴል ድረስ ያንዳንዱ ነገር እናሳውቃችኋለን ማለት ነው። ማክሰኞ ማታ ደግሞ በሸራተን አዲስ ግብዣ አለን፣ ፕሮግራም አለን። ሌትስ ጎ